Good evening, Austin. If you take a look behind me, you can see our highs for today. We're in the lower 50s, and that will be the theme for this week. Going into the next 3 days, Thursday you see a high of only 35 degrees. 43 degrees for our Friday. We do have some chances of rain, but those winds are coming from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour, giving us a chance to warm up just a little bit and our last chance to get above the 40-degree mark. Going into Saturday, we have mostly cloudy conditions with a high of the majority of our rain is going to settle over us for Thursday and total up to 3 inches for some of our southeast counties. If you are outside at all today, you notice those winds were fairly strong, mostly from the west. Indicator up to that wintry mix is going to start to move in, but those winds are pretty calm coming from the east at 3 to 5 miles per hour. As we go into tomorrow, those clear skies are going to continue and give us plenty of sunshine to warm up throughout the day. But as we go into the early evening hours, we see those clouds start to creep back in. But looking forward to Wednesday, spring will finally arrive. Throughout the week, we will see that slowly increase going into Sunday. Sunday being our nicest day with a high of 60 degrees. With a high of 43 for Thursday. That sun's going to break through those clouds, but those clouds are going to start to build back up again for Friday with a high of 48 degrees. But lucky for us, our high for Saturday is 53 degrees. So a fairly nice start to our weekend, but that rain will start to move in and that will continue. See, that rain will start to move in as early as 8 a.m. Although we aren't expecting a lot of precipitation. The majority of it will be in our northern counties for Champaign and Vermilion. But as we go into with that, a cold front will start to move in too. But as you can see behind me, not much is happening right now. But if we zoom out just a little bit, we see to the west of us some systems starting to move into our viewing area. We see those winds shift and start to come from the northwest. That will bring a cold front with it. As you can see here, it starts to move throughout our viewing area on Thursday, but we won't see the effects of it until Friday. Taking a look at your Christmas forecast, we start off Christmas Eve in the mid-30s, and as we go into Christmas morning, we see those temperatures dip just a little bit to 32, but that sun will break through those clouds and warm up to a high of 42 for your Christmas day. Into the lower 30s, we do expect a wind coming from the south at 3 to 5 miles per hour, so a fairly nice breeze tonight with clear skies overnight, but that will not continue as we go into Thursday. We do climb up to a high of 61 degrees, but starting off the early morning, we have heavy cloud coverage, but as we go into the day and into the early afternoon, we do climb up in temperature, but that sun does not make an appearance. But as we go into the early evening hours, we reach our high of 61 degrees. Futurecast is showing rain is expected going into Thursday night, but the majority of it will be coming in on Friday. That system will start to move east. It'll be heaviest in Robinson and over in Vigo County. But as we go into the afternoon and even early evening hours of Friday, we see that rain moves to the east of us and we're left with mostly cloudy conditions. Looking at the next couple days, we are on the warmer side, 56 for Wednesday. We get to our highest at 61 on Thursday, but a cold front moves in and we start to go down in temperature going into the weekend. Starting on Saturday with a high of only 47 and Sunday a high of 45. Saturday we have mostly cloudy conditions with a high of 47 degrees. Sunday that sun finally makes another appearance with a high of only 45 degrees, and as we go into next week we get back up into the 50-degree mark.